Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending and viral DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone making a table. Now this is very nice. I love this table. I just don't know why they didn't stain it. And then we have a DIY sofa. Whoa. This guy is very talented. He must sell these because there's just no way. How to upcycle an old mat. Spray the mat, trace and cut out the sand. Wow, this is such a good idea. Wow, I never would have thought about doing that. That is crazy. I might have to try that one out. So here someone is revamping a chair. I love watching these, so satisfying. Just like that, the chair is modern and cool. I love it. So then we have someone transforming this, what do they call those kind of beds? I forget. Or couches. Not much of a transformation. She basically just put a cover on it. I don't know. I was expecting her to do something else. Alright, I'm redecorating my room. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cute. You should definitely buy more pieces to finish that table. I like this idea. I like the different colors too. Very cool. Alright, so then we have this really cool pot. It's like the busts that everyone's using, like this bust trend. I don't know why we're into this right now, but we are. Very nice. Looks a little homemade, but it looks nice. And we have some type of old coffee canister being turned into a vase. Ooh. So this also looks a little homemade, but I think it looks nice. Sometimes homemade is good, like you want your stuff to look homemade. Alright, now we got someone with some stools. They're adding some cushion. Good, because those looked pretty hard and uncomfortable. Oh, they are really modernizing this. Oh, wait. Okay, we did not get a good enough look at the ending. Okay, someone's cutting some shapes out of the carpet. Or the rug, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it matches the wall. That's cute and fun. Wow. Alright, somebody painting their doors. So they took all their doors off when they painted it. This was smart. My husband and I did this a few years ago, and we just were like standing and painting the doors. It was hard. This method looks a lot easier, to be honest. And they have a spray gun to spray them. Yeah, this is smart. And this is exactly what we wanted too. We wanted our doors to be bright white instead of like that yellow white. They look like they're professionals though. Like they have all the nice equipment and... Yeah, if you're just a regular Joe, you might not have this stuff. But I like the technique. I mean, you can't deny their method works. Alright, so we got some hoops here, some yarn. You already know what they're gonna make. Some type of wall reef thing. So it looks like they're making the tassels. You know what? I wonder if they're making a chandelier. It could be. So they have 3 different sizes here. Let's see. Oh, yep. Wow. How I transform this fireplace. for under $100. Product doesn't need a primer, so I can get right to work coating. Wow. And making over a fireplace is expensive. I looked into it when my husband and I first moved into our house. Oh my gosh, the prices are outrageous. So what I ended up doing was just painting it chalk white with chalk paint, because that was the easiest solution to make it more modern, because it started off just brown and I was like, ooh, this is not my style. So they basically put cement on there. Wow. Oh, I love this. Very cool. Oh, I really love their home. The wood beams. Oh, this is just breathtaking. It almost looks like an Airbnb cabin. Like you just stay in and just have fun with your friends. Self-liners. What is this thing? Different colors of green. Okay, so obviously they're making some type of rug here. And it's like different colors of green. Is it supposed to look like moss? I don't know, it looks weird. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed these DIY projects and reactions. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to check out even more, you can see this video next.